Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about something that's on every parent's mind these days, our kids and their phones. It feels like a constant battle, right? You ask them to put it away, and 5 minutes later, you hear that familiar ding from their room. It's frustrating, and it can make you feel like you're losing the connection with your child. But what if I told you that getting your kids to forget about their phones is less about taking things away and more about adding something wonderful into their lives? Stick around, because today we're diving into some fun and genuinely effective strategies that will have your kids choosing real-life adventures over their digital world. First off, let's get real. Phones are designed to be addictive. The endless scrolling, the notifications, the games, it's a dopamine factory in their pocket. So, when we just say get off your phone, we're asking them to fight a powerful urge without offering a compelling alternative. The secret isn't to demonize the phone, but to make real life more attractive. Think of yourself not as the phone police, but as the curator of awesome experiences. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to create moments so engaging that the phone simply can't compete. So, where do we start? The first step is to become a detective in your own home. What genuinely lights your child up? Is it building things? Creating art? Maybe it's a fascination with animals or a love for music. Pay close attention to those little sparks of interest. If your child loves building games like Minecraft, don't just see it as screen time. See it as a clue. This is a kid who loves creating worlds. So, how can we bring that into the physical world? Maybe it's a massive Lego project, building a model city together, or even trying some kid-friendly woodworking or building a fort in the living room. The key is to connect their digital passion to a tangible, hands-on activity. Let's talk about the power of a surprise adventure jar. This is one of my all-time favorite tricks. Get a big jar and together with your kids, write down a bunch of fun, mostly free local activities on small pieces of paper. Things like go on a bug safari in the backyard, bake mystery cookies with 3 secret ingredients, have a living room campout with spooky stories, or visit the library and pick out any 3 books. The rule is, when boredom strikes or the phone comes out, someone gets to pull an idea from the jar, and you have to do it. This transforms you from the nagging parent into a co-conspirator in fun. It builds anticipation and creates a bank of positive memories associated with being off the phone. Another game changer is scheduling dedicated device-free time for the entire family. And I mean the entire family. That includes you, mom and dad. It's not fair to ask your kids to unplug if you're constantly checking emails or scrolling through social media. Lead by example. Maybe it's from dinner time until bedtime every night, or maybe it's all day Sunday. Call it Family Power Down Hour or something fun. During this time, the rule is simple. All screens go into a designated basket. The first few times might feel a little strange, but you'll be amazed at what happens. You'll start talking more, playing board games, reading books aloud, or just being silly together. This models healthy tech habits and shows your kids that you value your time with them above everything else. Let's not forget the great outdoors. Nature is the ultimate antidote to screen addiction. It doesn't have to be a grand week-long camping trip. It can be as simple as a walk to a nearby park to look for different types of leaves, a bike ride around the neighborhood, or planting a small herb garden in a window box. Being outside engages all the senses in a way a screen simply cannot. The feeling of grass under your feet, the sound of birds, the smell of rain. These things are calming and grounding. Make a habit of spending at least 20-30 minutes outside with your kids every day. It will work wonders for their mood, their focus, and their desire to stay plugged in. Now, a crucial piece of this puzzle is empowering your kids with responsibility. Instead of just setting rules, involve them in creating a family tech agreement. Sit down together and have an open conversation about it. Ask them, when do you think it's okay to use phones? When should we all put them away? What are some fun things we can do instead? When they are part of the rule-making process, they're much more likely to respect the boundaries. You can write it all down and have everyone sign it. This turns it from a top-down decree into a collaborative family commitment. It teaches them self-regulation, a skill that is far more valuable than simply obeying a command. Here's another fun idea. Tap into their creativity with a family project. This could be anything from making a short movie together, where they can be the director, actor, and editor, to starting a family YouTube channel about a shared hobby, like cooking or reviewing board games. It could even be learning a new skill together, like playing the ukulele or learning a language through an app together. These projects use technology in a creative and collaborative way, rather than for passive consumption. It shows them that devices can be tools for creation, not just entertainment. This reframes their relationship with technology in a much healthier, more productive light. Finally, and this is perhaps the most important tip of all, fill their emotional cup. A lot of the time, kids turn to their phones out of boredom, loneliness, or a feeling of being disconnected. Make a conscious effort to schedule regular one-on-one time with each of your children. It doesn't have to be long. Even 15 minutes of your undivided attention can make a huge difference. Put your phone away, get down on their level, and just listen. Ask them about their day, their friends, their worries. Let them know you see them and you hear them. When a child feels truly connected and secure in their family relationships, the allure of the digital world starts to fade. Your attention is the most valuable and engaging thing you can offer them. It's the ultimate competition for any screen. So to recap, be a fun detective. Create a surprise adventure jar, lead by example with device-free time. Embrace the outdoors. Create a family tech agreement, start a creative project, and most importantly, fill their emotional cup with your undivided attention. It's not about winning a battle. It's about building a stronger, more connected family where real life is always the most exciting adventure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips give you some inspiration and encouragement. What are your favorite ways to get your kids off their phones? Share your brilliant ideas in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart and fun parenting tips. We'll see you in the next one.